Ever had your car's AC suddenly stop blowing cold air? Or maybe it just feels weak, even though the system looks fine? Before you rush to a mechanic and spend hundreds of dollars, here's the truth. Sometimes your AC just needs a simple reset. Just like rebooting your computer or smartphone, your car's air conditioning system has electronic modules and sensors that can get stuck. In this video, we are going to uncover 7 methods to reset your car AC step by step, from the easiest quick fixes to the more advanced methods. And stick around until the end, because I have got a bonus tip that can save you thousands in repair costs while keeping your AC blowing ice cold for years to come. Let's get started. Method 1. Resetting the AC by disconnecting the battery. One of the simplest ways to reset your car's AC system is by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. This works because most modern vehicles store AC error codes in the ECU, and disconnecting the battery clears those temporary glitches. To do this, follow these steps. Step 1. First, turn off the ignition. Step 2. Using a wrench, loosen and disconnect the negative battery terminal first. Step 3. Leave it disconnected for at least 10 to 15 minutes so the car's computer fully discharges. Step 4. Reconnect the negative terminal and tighten it securely. Step 5. Start the car and turn on the AC to check if it's working properly. If the issue was a temporary glitch, your AC should blow cold again. This method is especially useful after changing an AC component like a sensor or compressor. Method 2. Resetting by pulling the AC fuse or relay. If you don't want to reset your entire vehicle computer, you can target just the AC system. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Switch off the ignition and remove the key. Step 2. Open the fuse box, which is usually found under the hood. Step 3. Use the diagram to locate the AC fuse. Step 4. Carefully pull the fuse out using a puller or pliers. Step 5. Wait about 5 to 10 minutes before reinserting it. Step 6. Close the box, restart the car, and test the AC. This method is particularly helpful if your AC fan or compressor isn't engaging because of an electrical hiccup, without messing up your radio presets. Method 3. Using the AC control panel reset button. Some modern cars, especially luxury models, come with a hidden reset function built right into the AC control panel. It recalibrates the system without touching the battery or fuses. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Turn the ignition key to the on position, but don't start the engine. Step 2. Locate the AC control buttons, usually AC and recirculation. Step 3. Press and hold this specific combination at the same time for 10 to 15 seconds. Step 4. Watch for the lights to blink or the display to flash. That means the reset worked. Step 5. Start the car and confirm cold air is blowing again. Always check your owner's manual for the exact button combo because every manufacturer has their own trick. Method 4. Ignition key reset. This method feels almost too easy, but it works on a lot of cars, especially GM, Ford, and Toyota. It forces your AC blend doors to recalibrate themselves. Step 1. Insert your key and turn the ignition to on, but do not start the engine. Step 2. Turn the AC system completely off. Step 3. Press and hold specific buttons like defrost and rear defrost for about 10 to 15 seconds. If you hear a beep or see the AC light flash, congratulations, you just reset the system. Step 4. Wait until the process stops, which takes 30 to 60 seconds. Step 5. Turn the AC back on. This method is perfect if your car blows hot on one side and cold on the other. Method 5. Blend door actuator recalibration reset. When the AC blows only through certain vents or refuses to switch between defrost and floor, it's usually the blend door actuators. These can often be reset without removing parts. Step 1. Turn the ignition to off. Step 2. Switch the AC controls to auto mode if available. Step 3. Turn the ignition key to on, but don't start the car. Step 4. Leave the system untouched for 1 to 2 minutes while actuators cycle to default positions. Step 5, turn the car off again and restart normally. Step 6, test airflow by switching between vents. This reset saves you from expensive part replacements. Method 6, OBD2 scanner reset. All right, now for the techie method. If your AC system shut down because of an error code, no manual reset will fix it until you clear that code. Step 1, plug the OBD2 scanner into the diagnostic port under the steering wheel. Step 3, open the scanner menu and navigate to HVAC control module. Step 4, select clear fault codes. Step 5, let the process finish. You may hear clicking sounds as actuators reset. Step 6, now restart your car and test the AC. This is the most reliable method for newer cars with advanced electronic climate systems. Method 7, hard reset by pulling the ECU fuse. And finally, the nuclear option. This is the absolute last resort if none of the above worked. Step 1, find your ECU fuse in the fuse box. Step 2, pull it out and leave it out for 10 minutes. Step 3, plug it back in and start the car. This forces your entire car computer system to reboot, including the AC. It's a bit extreme, but I've seen cars that ignored every other reset suddenly spring back to life after this one. Bonus tip: if your AC keeps shutting down after you reset it, that's not a glitch. That's your car telling you something's actually wrong, like low refrigerant or a bad sensor. That's all for this video. Always start with the simple methods first. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and share it with a friend who's sweating in their car right now. See you in the next video.